Well friends, welcome back. Today I have got a request to create a video for the SolarWinds attack. I believe that from wherever this request has come, they are understanding that this is the latest attack, but exactly it is not a latest attack. You all will be surprised to note that this attack began in March 2020. So it's almost 7 months, 8 months old or 9 months old. Okay. But why it has come to the limelight? Because it was the biggest ever attack against the US government. And what is the modus operandi? Exactly everywhere in media, social network, everywhere you will find that it is a SolarWinds attack. But I understand it is a Orion attack. It is not a SolarWinds attack, because it is not attack on the company. It is attack on one of the software which is of the SolarWinds company and which is used for the IT monitoring and management. Altogether, according to the release of the SolarWinds, there are 33,000 users of the Orion, and the modus operandi was that they have not directly attacked the federal system or the government agencies, but they have attacked this one through the help of the third parties or the service providers. No, that has become a different modus operandi. And what they have done, they have sent a Trojan malware known as a Sunburst, and which was got installed on the Orion along with the Orion software, and it was linked to the system which was used for updating the Orion or updating the SolarWinds activities. Okay, exactly, it was the update of the Orion activities of the SolarWinds software. So when the Sunburst was installed on that, then this Sunburst software, also being a Trojan, it also bypassed the antivirus or anti-malware, such type of detection software, and was able to get the access of the system file. And after that, once it took control of the system files, then it started moving the lateral movement has started, and due to that lateral movement, it has impacted or infected large number of machines. Somewhere we are finding 18,000, somewhere we are finding 17,000. Some releases are telling, which is available on the public domain. Okay, but slowly information will disclose, or maybe we are going to find it out that all the systems which were using this type of software was impacted. Not only this Orion software has been impacted, but that attack was also to the other companies. Okay, that attack was also on the Microsoft. However, Microsoft has denied that no production data or the customer data disclosure has taken place or data theft has taken place. FireEye has also confirmed that their system was facing attack, and as per the information available in the public domain, the first company which disclosed this one, that this type of attack is happening, was the FireEye only. And the first disclosure came into light on December 8, this December 8. And after that, when they find it out that this exactly the third party is going to be used for attacking the government or the federal agencies, then the government find it out that not only that Homeland Security or Commerce the department, or even some of the segment of the Pentagon was also having this attack. And over and above, the attackers were able to monitor the activities of the Homeland Security. Okay, so however we are telling, or whatever the data is available, that the lesser number of computers were infected. If you are talking about the Orion installations, only 50%. But slowly when the information will come out, then the real picture of this attack will come. Now coming to the what remedy is there, that's what we used to talk about, that whenever the patch updates or such type of updates are there, it must be tested on some other system, isolated system. First it should be tested, that it should be post. But those systems we are having to the interface, then they were having this type of problem. In the remedial activity also, the SolarWinds has suggested, it recommended customer at least they should change the password of the SolarWind update activity, and to some of the customers they have recommended that they should restrict the internet ingress activities. Ingress activities means the any such type of or activity coming from the internet inside the organization, that they are talking about the stopping the internet ingress activity for some of the customer, not to all customers, maybe depending upon the criticality they have done. Okay, so this is in nutshell whatever is the information available about the SolarWinds. Hope this will give you throw some light on the SolarWinds attack. Put your comments in the comment box, or if further information is required, that also you can put into the comment box. Thank you.